someone is replaying the past memories in their head back and forth about you. There is this person who is now thinking about you and replaying all the past memories, the good memories that you guys had together, the memories, the sweet memories that you both spent together with each other, right? And they are constantly being missing you, or you can say that they have been thinking about the past perfect happy moments that they have had with you in the past. Now why this is happening all of a sudden, try to understand one thing. Currently we are undergoing the Mercury retrograde, okay, and this is not particularly your love connection. This might be your love connection, okay, but I feel like this is the energy of a person whom you never had the relationship in the past, okay, but maybe they were your friend, or you guys have been friends, right? But this is more of like a one-sided feeling, one-sided connection sort of thing. Okay, so now you are not in touch with this person, or maybe a very less communication is there, be like within 6 months you talk, or maybe 1 year, something like that. But I feel like this person, why they are feeling or craving your energy all of a sudden, because they still wanted to come out, and they still wanted to hold you, or maybe want you back in their life, okay, and they wanted to make a move. They are planning to make a move towards you, because the magician, they have been long so they have been manifesting you for from the very long period of time. Now I'm feeling, see, I feel like this is a person, and this is your energy, by the way. So this is a person you have had connection with in the past, and for the longest period of time you guys have been friends. Likely you guys have been friends, okay. From your side you only consider them as your friend, okay, but from their side they always have romantic things about you. But when you got to know about their feelings, you felt disheartened, or maybe you felt that they betrayed your trust. I don't know why, because might be there was some money involved. Maybe when they actually in the past they reveal their feelings to you. To be honest, they actually reveal their feelings to you, but and you wanted to give them a chance as well. Oh my god, so this is the energy where this person not proposed you properly, but they revealed their hidden feelings to you, and you were thinking to give them a chance. You were thinking to give them a chance. You never gave them a chance, but you were thinking. Okay, and something happened in your connection all of a sudden, and you guys maybe broke up, or this friendship got broke, because there was some kind of involvement of the money. So money is involved with this person in your connection, and you felt betrayed. You feel betrayed, and there was a judgment also, so you feel betrayed. You feel like that the person you have been thinking about, or maybe the person you were thinking that they were totally a different person. Like, you were thinking them as somebody who's very kind, who's very generous, who's tried to help other people, but you somehow so somehow this money thing revealed their true color, or maybe their true intention. So you got to know that they were only good to you for the period of time when you just said them yes, and when you just declined their proposal, they actually showed their true self. So that's why you feel like that you got cheated on, even in friendship as well. So there is the judgment. You have been judging not this person entirely. Of course there was a judgment for this person as well, but you were judging your own self, your own your own judgment basically, because you are a kind of person that I feel like you're a kind of person who's very intuitive. Okay, so whenever things start to happen in your life, or whenever you take decisions, even though it's just a normal chit chat sort of thing with a stranger as well, you always go with your intuition. So you were judging yourself very hard, that where you got wrong all of a sudden. And we have two of swords as well. So this person again wants to come back in your life. Okay, they still want chance with you, but they don't know exactly how to approach you. Of course they are thinking about you, they are feeling fantasizing those old memories, replaying those old memories in their head, and they are planning, they are thinking to come back into your life, but they don't know exactly how to do that. Because I feel like might be you blocked this person, or might be you said something in the past to this person that is haunting them till now. Like there was some sort of communication you guys had in between, that they have that memory also about this that communication, and that communication is keep on replaying in their mind back and forth again and again, and they are thinking that what if they still try to approach you, might be you reject them this time also, and they can't handle it. Oh my god, this person is a kind of, they are not good they're not good dealing with rejections, to be honest. When this is such a immature energy, again, you stop judging hard yourself. Okay, but of course this communication is coming, this person is coming, and you know exactly whom I'm talking about. You know exactly who this person is whom I'm talking about, because you taking charge of your life, you're no longer running out from your feelings. You no longer giving discounts of your energy to the other people now, because you are entering in a phase, or maybe you have entered in a phase where you know the value of the currency, how important your energy is, and of course your energy is very important. So you are stop giving discounts to the random people in your life, and this is exactly why they are feeling this way. The high priestess with the 10 or 9 of pentacles is giving you the direction of that somebody like you, or maybe the people like you, who always try to bring back themselves again to the light without taking anybody's help. So the people like you always have that light, that trust, that white light healing in yourself, that you don't want other people to heal yourself, or maybe to bring you back from the dark places. Okay, and this kind of energy, this kind of positive aura sort of thing, they always not necessarily try to give you all the white light sort of beings. When you have such a positive magnetic aura, the negative people also try to come back in your life, try to gain from your energy. Because see, and try to understand this thing, if we if we color white and black together, it automatically becomes gray. So this is more of like, you are a white light, they are on the other hand a very black shadowy light. And when even after, because you have this tendency to forgive people easily, which is very good thing, but in process of doing that, you always end up having or generating more difficulties in your life, and then you keep on cursing yourself like, oh my god, maybe my life is this way, blah blah blah. No, this is how you act upon the things. So stop giving discounts of your energy to the people who don't want it. So let past people, past energy be in the past. And you have this intuition, okay? You have this intuition, and this, see, each and every manifestation, or maybe each and every attention is not a good attention at all. Even though this person is manifesting you right now, consciously or subconsciously, directly or indirectly, but their intention is not what you are thinking. Their intention is more of like just to use your energy again for their own benefit. So this is something more of like the same yesterday's sort of reading. I just don't know why I'm getting this message. I don't know whether you have watched yesterday's reading or not. If not, then just go and check out that as well. I feel like this person might be related to that reading, okay? Any which ways, try to protect your energy, and you know how to do that because you are the high priestess, okay? And they are coming back for themselves, okay? They are coming back for their own personal, or we can say hidden motive. See, so many cards are coming out. Lovers, not necessarily this lover. They have some sort of feeling for you. Of course, there is a connection. There is a feeling. Okay, the Hierophant. So we have Hierophant. And this card actually pulled out Knight of Wands. Hierophant with the Knight of Wands. Right. So, Hierophant with Knight of Wands is exactly what we needed here. This is the energy where this person tried to manipulate you, and they can go up to what extent they wanted, okay? Because now they are desperately craving your energies. Seriously, I don't know who this individual is, but my beautiful people, protect yourself. Protect yourself, because you are healing in such a beautiful way. And I'm not even saying that you are healing. You have had healed death with lovers. This is the time where your transformation is finally coming to an end. And from the very longest period of time, you guys have been manifesting and working on your energy so hard to manifest the true soulmate or twin flame connection of your life. And this person is no other than the devil itself, sent by the devil. They are coming back in your life just to drain your energy, just to use your light for their own benefit, and to distract you. To be honest, this connection, this person is coming back just to distract you from your path. So don't get don't get distracted. Just don't. Have faith in universe, have faith in yourself, because you have done so much work for yourself. Okay, you have healed so much hard, and you have done so much work on yourself. The inner work was there. So just don't give it away in a free for someone like this. Okay, just don't do that, because you are very near to close this karmic chapter once and for all, and to get into the light and to get into the real rawness of your own love connection, because you are very much close. So be very attentive with your energies, and be very attentive whom you entertain right now in your life. Okay, let me know in the comment section how you feel about this reading. Claim it. Bye bye.